Hey family, welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing the Beautral Garment Steamer. All right, so I'm back with another Amazon review. So this steamer I've had for a while. I've really enjoyed it. It seems very simple to use, I will tell you that. So went on Amazon, looked around for something that would be easy, not super priced, and had a reasonable, for me, like 54,000 is a reasonable amount of good reviews. So I decided to go with this one. I like the color, so this is the color I picked. And here are some features of it. So it's 1200 watt steamer when it comes to, like, the voltage or whatnot. Very powerful. Has a pretty lengthy cord. Okay, it takes about 30 seconds to heat up. Okay, and it says that it doesn't leak. So I didn't come across any leaking issues when I used it. I've used it a few times now, which is why I feel comfortable reviewing it. It works on almost any type of garment. Comes with a lint brush. It also comes with a fabric brush. So it's pretty convenient depending on, how versatile you use it. I usually use it just for clothes. I haven't tried it for, furniture or, curtains or anything like that. But it's nice to know that if I decide to do some curtains, I have that as an option. So if you like steaming different things, this should come in handy for you. So it also comes in different colors. It comes in a dark blue as well as a gray. Now, if it's ever offered, it wasn't offered when I got mine, but if it ever is offered that you get an extended warranty, please do. I always suggest everyone does that. So this is the box that it comes in. Garment steamer. And I didn't honestly believe that it would get hot in 30 seconds, but it did. So this is me taking out the box for you guys, showing you all the pieces that come with it. You guys, make sure you bear with me. I'm in the bathroom. It's a hot day, and sometimes this is the only time I can get peace and a space to do my review videos. Okay, so this first piece is actually the crease. It's a creaser, is the best way I can describe that. It's for making creases for pants and stuff like that. This is the bristle brush for like long fabrics to get the lint out. And then there's one more piece in there. I'm trying to get to it. Here's the user manual. Gives you the manufacturer's warranty information, any troubleshooting tips you may need. And then there's the steamer right there. In there at the bottom. This is the velvet piece. I believe this is for short fabrics, but this gets the lint off of the short fabrics for you. So linens, curtains, couches, pillows, stuff like that. It'll come in handy for those kind of things. I am unraveling it. This is how I wrap it up when I put it away, but honestly, I probably should like fold it against itself maybe. So I'm really excited to use it. Can you tell? So this is me getting ready to plug it in. Now, what I want to show you is the tank. Press the two buttons on the side, it detaches. It has a little rubbery door thing here, so when you pop it open, see that? It'll leave an open door for you, and you'll just add the water in there. It has place markers on the front and on the bottom, so you know what the max line is, and you'll also know when you're at a point where you need to refill the water again. Make sure you push that little flap all the way in there so the water does not come out on you while you're using it, okay? All right, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to fill it up real quick. And adding water is very simple. Just don't put the water all the way up on full blast, and you should be fine. It's really very simple, almost foolproof. But you know what? It took me a minute to get it open the first time I used it, so don't judge me. I'm plugging it in now. Please, please, please fill the container up before you plug it in. You're always supposed to unplug the device before, you start doing stuff to it. When you press the power button, the green light will start blinking and it will start heating up. It'll take 30 seconds for it to heat up and be ready for use. All right, so this is one of my favorite dresses in my entire wardrobe. It is very flowy, plus size, extra large for me. And as you can see, it's extremely wrinkled. So I'm excited to press it out. I happen to be shooting this video on Mother's Day. So I'm getting ready to go out with my mom. And I'm ready to see what my results are going to be. Because otherwise, I'm taking the iron to it. Seriously, no, without a doubt. So we're gonna go ahead and steam this bad boy up. It looks like it's hot and it's ready to go. Look at that steam come out of there. Watch this. There we go. Look at that. It's ready. Yeah. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out about this steamer is the buttons. Now, you can push it and long press it, or you can lock it in place and it'll keep the steam flowing for you. Now, again, be very careful with this thing. It gets hot. I'll fast forward it for you guys, just so you can kind of see how, how you need to take your time a little bit when it comes to these things. Obviously, don't rush the process. Don't burn yourself. Give yourself some time. So, for some people, this is really relaxing. I actually enjoy doing it. It would have been a better experience if I wasn't in a hot bathroom, but, it is what it is. But I found it very easy to use. I did my best to stay within frame for you guys, but the farther down I got, because the dress is pretty long, the farther down I got, it got a little difficult for me as far as bending over because, I got some chunky thighs. This process took about maybe 7 to 8 minutes. So I am speeding up the footage, you guys, so we don't take forever with this video. It's supposed to be a quick review. But the item on this video, link will be available for you down in the description box. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you have an idea for a review video, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. If you have any brands or appliances or clothing you'd like me to try out for you, I'd be happy to do so, you guys. Feel free to hit me up. In the meantime, let me know what your experience is if you already have one and if you're thinking about getting one. Also, before I forget, if you like the shirt that I'm wearing, it is my own creation. And you can find more like this at topsidedrip.com. All of my items are eco-friendly and made from recycled material. Feel free to check that out, and I appreciate your support.
I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news, cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise a bet, cause you're the joker, snipped off. You are the chunk, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the tone, I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when I do or die, we can do it, baby, simple and bang. This love is a short thing. That never gotta sweat that. You that never gotta sweat that. You that never gotta sweat that.
All right, guys, so I have finished steaming this lovely dress, and I am just doing some finishing touches on it, and I will show you how it looks. I feel like it came out great, considering I only spent 8 minutes on it. I think it looks awesome. I'm gonna do a close-up of some of the material just so you can get an idea of how straight the garment came out. Yeah, obviously I don't do all of my clothes in the bathroom under duress in an enclosed space, but this is YouTube. This is for you guys. Okay, check this out. All right, so here we go. And I'm just going to hold it up so you guys can kind of see. And you let me know if you think it looks wrinkled. Like, I feel like there's certain parts because I wasn't as detailed. But I do feel like compared to where we started to where we are now for 8 minutes of pressing, I think it looks great. This is the finished product. This is how that dress looked on me. And I absolutely loved it. Okay? You guys let me know what you think. And if I should probably get more dresses like this. But I had a wonderful Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, you guys. And I'll see you next time. All right. Peace.